Hello, welcome viewers. Today we see the exercise 2.3. In the exercise 2.3, you will see the division of polynomials. That means you will divide one polynomial by another polynomial. Before starting the exercise 2.3, we see the division algorithm for polynomials. As you have seen the Euclid division lemma in chapter 1, in the same way you will write the division algorithm for the polynomials. Suppose Px and Gx are the two polynomials where Gx is not equal to 0, then there exist another two polynomials Qx and Rx such that Px equal to Gx plus into Qx plus Rx. As you have seen the Euclid division lemma, a equal to bq plus r. That means a and b are two integers. If a is divided by b, then there exist two unique integers q and r which satisfy this relation a equal to bq plus r. Similarly, same thing when px is divided by gx, you can express as px equal to gx into qx plus rx, where qx it is the quotient, Rx it is the remainder, Px it is dividend and Gx it is divisor. Where Px it is dividend, Gx divisor, Qx quotient and Rx remainder. Furthermore, Rx may be 0 or degree of Rx is less than degree of Gx. Now we see the question. Divide the polynomial px by gx and find quotient and remainder in each of the following cases. Now we take first px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and gx equal to x square minus 2. You have divided one polynomial by another in class 9. You will adopt the same thing. First of all, you will write both polynomials in standard form. That is, you will write the polynomial in decreasing order of variables. That means you will write the first highest variable with the highest exponent, then lower, and so on. Similarly, you will arrange this also. After that, divide px by gx. Now this px x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and divide it by gx. Divide this px by gx, x square minus 2. To get the quotient, first of all, you will take the first term of this dividend x cube and divide it by the first term of the divisor x square. That means highest power of variable. Here you will take those terms which have the highest power, divide this term by this term. When you divide x cube by x square, your quotient will be x to the power 1. When you divide, subtract the power, 3 minus 2, 1, that is x to the power 1. This is the quotient. You will write here quotient. After that, by this quotient, you will multiply the divisor. X, multiply it with x square minus 2, this x, and multiply this with this x square minus 2. Now multiply x into x square. When you multiply, power should be added. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus, this minus, x into 2, 2x. You will write here x cube below x cube and this minus 2x below this 5x, because this term has power 2 but this term has power 1. So you will write this term below this 5x which has power 1. Then this minus 2x. Now subtract. When you subtract, you will change the sign. Sign of this is positive, so you make it negative, and sign of this is negative, so you will write here positive. Now this x cube minus x cube, both are same, cancel. Now this minus 3x square as it is. Now see, this 5x, it is positive, and this 2x, it is also positive. Now you will not consider this sign. You will consider this sign only for this 2x. Now this 5x, it is positive, and 2x, it is also positive. Then add it, and it will be plus 5 plus 2, 7x minus 3. This minus 3. Now you will take this term, minus 3x square, divide it by x square. Now see, x square in both numerator and denominator are same, therefore it will be cancelled and your quotient will be minus 3. You will write here minus 3. By this minus 3 multiply this, x square minus 2 minus 3 x square minus 2. Multiply it, minus into plus minus, 3 1 ja 3 x square. Minus minus plus, 3 2 ja 6. Right here minus 3x square. This 6 has no term, no x, therefore this will be written below. This will be, this to be right below this minus 3, and it is plus 6. Now change the sign. This minus becomes plus, and this plus you will write minus. Minus 3x square plus 3x square minus 3 plus 3, 0. That means it is cancelled. Now this plus 7x minus 3 minus 6. Both are negative, so add it and right side negative, minus 9. Now see, further it is not divisible because degree of this remainder is 1 and degree of this divisor is 2. So degree of the remainder is less than degree of divisor, then you will not further divide it. It is not divisible. You will stop the division. Therefore your answer, quotient qx, it is equal to x minus 3, and remainder rx, it is equal to 7x minus 9. This is the answer. Now second, px equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and gx is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. This is in standard form, power 4, power 2, power 1, and then power 0. Now here x power 2, x power 1, and x power 0. That means after 2 there will be x to the power 1. That means you will rearrange this. This x square, it will remain as it is. This minus x, and after that plus 1. Now divide. X to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Divide it by x square minus x plus 1. For the quotient, you will take this x to the power 4, divide it by x square. When you divide x to the power 4 minus 2, it will be 2. This x square. Now with x square, multiply this divisor x square minus x plus 1. Now multiply x square into x square, x to the power 2 plus 2, 4, minus x square into x, this minus 2 plus 1, 3, x to the power 3, and plus x square into 1, x square. So here you will write x to the power 4 minus x cube. Now see, there is no term with the power 3. That means you will write this separate. And it is minus x cube. सबसे बाहर लिखा हमने, ये पावर 2 है, पावर 1 है, यहाँ x है ही नहीं, तो इसको बाहर रखें क्योंकि इसका कोई टर्म यहाँ नहीं मिलता. Plus x square below this x square. Now change the sign for subtraction. This x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 cancel. Now first you will write highest power. This is power 2 and this is power 3. You will write this term, and it is plus x cube. Plus x cube. Now see, minus 3x square minus 1x square. Both are negative, so you will write here minus 3 plus 1, 4 x square plus 4x plus 5 plus 4x plus 5. Now divide this x cube by x square. It is x to the power 3 minus 2, 1. Now here plus x. This one is plus x, then plus x. By x, multiply this divisor x square minus x plus 1. Multiply this. X into x square, x cube, minus x into x square, plus x into 1, x. Here, x cube minus x square plus x. Change the sign, minus, plus, minus. This cancel. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3x square. 4 minus 1 plus 3x plus 5. Now, minus 3x square, divide it by x square. X square cancel, it is minus 3. Write here minus 3 by minus 3, multiply this divisor, x square minus x plus 1. It is minus 3x square, minus minus plus 3x, minus plus minus, 3 1 ja 3. Therefore, it is minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. Now subtract this plus sign, this minus sign, this plus sign. Minus 3 plus 3, 0 cancel. 3 minus 3, 0 cancel. 5 plus 3, both are positive, so add it. It will be 8. Therefore, your quotient QX, it is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and Rx, it is equal to 8. This is the answer. Similarly, you will solve number 3. You must solve question number 3 of 1 and send it my WhatsApp number. With this, thanks. That's all.